Okay, so it's been a while since I've done one of these update slash giveaway videos, but I do have a few announcements before I get to the giveaway, which is definitely different this time, so listen up. First off, I have a podcast now, so I'm in a podcast with other people. We talk about old tools and restorations and finding them and collecting them and which ones are better than other ones and how to find them, how to transport them, just basically everything about old tools. I'm in the podcast with Andrew Alexander, who's Blacksmith Tools on Instagram. He collects massive machines that are nice and antique, and Jimmy DiResta here on YouTube. Secondly, I will be at Maker Central in Birmingham, England, May 11th and 12th. If you want to come out and see me, I will have some of the mini wrenches that I'll bring with me, and you can grab one and say hi. It'll be awesome meeting all you people that were already planning on coming. There's like a million other people coming, so it is like the biggest thing this year. Thirdly, I have t-shirts with different logos on them now. You can probably see them like below in the shelf thing, but they're on Teespring. The logos are like the ones that I showed at the start of my most recent video on the two-man chainsaw. I think it's cool. Maybe you don't. I don't know. Fourthly, I am hoping to recreate this. So this is awesome, obviously, and massive. So these are being worked on. I still am thinking about the process on how to get it done for a reasonable price. Obviously, it can be done for $1 million. And also these, I like this style. They are simpler to produce. And it would be nice. These fins here would be really good for having your thumb in and just like torquing aggressively. And these ones just feel awesome, and it's huge. So I am working on these. I hopefully will figure out the manufacturing process to make these reasonably inexpensive. So look forward to that as well. And finally, the giveaway. So the giveaway is for reaching 500,000 subscribers, which is too many subscribers. It's so many subscribers. It is awesome and it's crazy. The whole restoration scene on YouTube has exploded. It's absolutely insane, regardless of if they're directly copying what I've done or not. It's just nice to see things saved for the most part. It's awesome to see other people joining in and contributing on the kind of restoration subject that we have going on. So I hope it continues. It's definitely of interest to me, obviously, but it has led me to think more about what exactly a restoration is, especially when I go to title my own videos. You know, if you're trying to get back to as original as possible, which would be the normal definition of restoration, a lot of what I'm seeing on YouTube probably doesn't fit that exact description. Even my own videos are just, they're not exactly as original as possible. I can't use lead paint again, although maybe I could find some. I can't find the original asbestos gaskets. Like there's a part of the originality that is going to get lost because those products just don't exist anymore. So there's always a kind of a gray area on what exactly a restoration is. I, at least on this channel, try to strive for more original restorations as close as I can get. I'm not, if there's a casting mark that a casting void or something, I probably won't fill it with Bondo because it came out of the factory like that. I could Bondo it up and shine it up and do all that kind of stuff, but I would save that for things that are supposed to look like crisp and clean, not so much the things that were never that way when they came out of the factory. Regardless, It's been an insane ride to this point. I just can't believe it. I don't even know what's going to happen in a few years from now. Like, it's just been insane. So, for this giveaway, I want to make the winner a wrench with literally whatever they want written on it. It doesn't even have to be here. Like, if you want something over here, go right ahead. If you want it over here, if you want it over here, like maybe, I don't know. I guess the CNC could do that. Regardless, that's what I'm hoping to give away this time. This wrench is number 3120. So, you will win this wrench by leaving a comment and in this specific YouTube video, and then a random comment picker will pick the winner. I'll announce it hopefully in a few weeks, sometimes up to a month I wait, depending on just my timeline. And hopefully that is intriguing enough. You can literally say whatever you want. No restrictions. Go crazy. Also, Evaporust has graciously donated a 5-gallon bucket delivered anywhere in the continental US. If the winner is not from that exact area, then it will be a $100 Amazon gift card to kind of whoever wins that. So there's that as well. So it seems to be a decent giveaway. You Evapo must be crazy not to enter. So I'd just like to say thank you all again. I love hearing the comments. I'm so glad that you enjoy the videos, and the rest of the internet seems to enjoy the videos. So thank you for being here and supporting this channel, especially the patrons. They are awesome and fantastic, and I've gotten a lot more now that I narrate the videos for them on Patreon. So it's been awesome. If you want to follow more about the screwdrivers and their kind of production process, I talk a lot about them on Instagram, so you can check me out there if you want. Anyways, thank you all again. Later.